Hello, this is Model Monday, episode 33, and here I have Tamiya's 1/35 scale German 3-ton cargo truck, more commonly known as the Opel Blitz. This is the cargo version, so not the troop carrier version. Here's the box art. Multiple paint schemes. Kinda got banged up during shipping. Alright, first off, let's check out the sprues. Everything is very nicely detailed, interior parts. Although this kit does not come with an engine, so you can't really have the hood open unless you're going to scratch build or use some sort of aftermarket of some sort. Everything is very nicely detailed, the doors, everything. And here we have the rear deck. Has a nice wood grain texture on it. All the supposed to be wooden parts have that. It's very nice. Then we have two of these sprues with these smaller details and figures. And then we have two of these sprues with accessories, fuel drums, jerry cans, stuff like that. And then, of course, we have the instructions. As usual, starting with the chassis, adding all the details to that. Moving on, adding the wheels, windshield, and everything. Cabin details. And markings. There are a few different markings in this kit from the Eastern Front and North Africa. And then, of course, the decals. And the glass masks, and I almost forgot to show you the glass itself. I'm gonna leave this in the bag so it does not get scratched. Just thought I'd show you real quick the 1/48th version. I'm pretty sure it's very similar tooling and everything, but of course a smaller scale. They accidentally sent me this one when I ordered the 35th scale one. I'm just gonna return this. Before I do, I might as well quickly review it, although I'm not gonna open the plastic. Everything appears to be very similar to the 35th scale version, although there are a few more details on some of the sprues. But everything is pretty similar and almost identical. Great detail on pretty much everything. Little driver figure. And there's the windshield and the rest of the parts. Wood grain texture on everything, of course. And that's pretty much it. I'll quickly go over the decals and instructions. The decals are, I think, almost exactly the same. Pretty much identical instructions. Alright, And now I will have a quick channel update. Alright, so I haven't been posting very much lately. I have been working on my projects, and I was recently on vacation, so I've been pretty busy. Here I have a 35 scale barn that I've been making out of wood, and I just partially primed. This is going on my Tiger diorama. This has taken a lot of time, and I will have a video on how I've built this when I'm done, probably in a few weeks, roughly. And then for the Tiger itself, I am almost completely done with it. I just need to add a few more mud effects and a little bit more weathering in some places. And I'm already done with the tracks and everything. And the painting video and the beginning weathering stages has taken a lot of time to edit. I still have like 6 more hours of footage I have to condense into a 20-30 minute video. Who knows when that will come out. I'll try to make it happen as soon as I can. But here's this for now, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.